Ladies and gentlemen, history has been made here tonight. We have reached our awarding ceremonies where a team will be awarded their third straight Philippine Cup title. But before we head on into that, let us also recognize the extremely valiant effort thrown in by a team that lived that never say die until the very end. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for the runners-up for the Philippine Cup Championship, the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel Chin-Kings. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us award our champion. Calling up to the stage, Rashawn McCarthy, David Samarat, Arnold Van Opsal, Michael Mabula, Keith Agumida, J.R. Reyes, Yancy Deo Campos, Brian Heruela, R.R. Garcia, Gabby Espinas, Ronald Dubin, Marshall Lassiter, Alex Cabagnots, Arwin Santos, Chris Ross, and your best player of the conference, Junmar Fajardo.
Salamat sa taas. Dear Lord, thank you for this championship. I also like to thank Barangay Ginebra, a true worthy opponent na talagang hindi bumibigay kahit sa uli. Never say die. Salamat, Barangay Ginebra. And of course, I'd like to thank our management for their all-out support para ma-realize namin yung vision ngayon. Si Boss ECJ, Boss Ramanang, si Boss Bobby Wang, ang aking BFF, si Coach Al Francis Chua. Salamat, kalahati pa lang yung mission natin. That's a perpetual trophy. So next conference, we have to prepare for another mission. O salamat sa San Miguel Beer Fans, salamat! Salamat sa inyo! Salamat! Sa mga coaches, players, thank you for giving it your all!
Unang-una, gusto ko magpasalamat sa poong Mike Kapal sa mga blessing na binibigay niya sa amin. Especially this special event tonight. But I have to congratulate Coach Tim Con and the entire Ginebra San Miguel for the gallant effort they displayed since the playoffs. Talagang NSD sila, never say die. At talagang this championship is not meaningful if not for Ginebra. That's why at this point, gusto kong pasalamatan ng management, si ECJ, and then RSA, lalo kay RSA, for his renewed trust and confidence in me. And of course, the management, Boss Bobby Huang, and Athletic Director, Alfred Chua, our Board of Governor, for his support, Robert Non, our manager and assistant manager, Coach G, Dan Vinares, all the players, the coaching staff, and the utility who's really supporting us. And of course, yung mga advisor ko na lagi nasa tabi ko, Arvin Santos, Doc Tony Liachon, my kumpare Oka, and many more guys. Salamat. But, syempre, andyan yung mga taga-suporta ng San Miguel. Maraming salamat sa inyong dasal at saka suporta sa amin. And syempre, I will not be inspired if not for my family, especially my wife. I love you, Ma'am. And then my mother-in-law from Pilam, Aurelia Solet, and Tita Adudi, and mga taga-Quezon na nandito ngayon. Okay, lalo-lalo na sa Sariaya, magandang gabi. Yung championship na ito ay para sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.